Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths Class. Now today's topic is linear equation in two variable which is in standard 9. Today I discuss about the linear equation in two variables which is standard 9. Now let's start. The linear equation in two variables. What is the linear equation in two variables? All of you know, I just write an example. X plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation. X plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation. And why I am telling this is linear equation? Why I take this example also? Why? The power is 1. The power of x and y, this is the variable of this equation. A, B, C are coefficient of the equations. Constant also, C is constant, A is the coefficient of x, B is the coefficient of y and C is the constant. Now this is the linear equation because the power or degree of the equation is 1. And why I am telling this is two variables? Because x and y are two variable. X and y are two variable in these equations. Okay. Now this is the general equation for linear equation in two variables is this is the general equation is general equation of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. All the students, you have to learn it, remember it. The general form, not the general equation. The general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where c is constant, a and b are the coefficient of x and y also. In my previous video, I already discussed the algebraic expression, I already discussed polynomial, already discussed in equations also. This is the general form of the linear equation in two variable. Now I am taking an example just to find a and b. I take an example. 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Just you were telling me what is A, what is B and what is C. Just you compare these two equations. You get A is 2, B is 3 and C is 7 here. Okay. Now I taken another example. This is the first example. I taken another example. This is just I am taking 7y is equal to 8. Okay. Then you just compare. Then you just not here, just write this one. Okay, x plus 7y is equal to 8. Just you compare and you say what is the value of a. A is just to compare here. Here is nothing. That means 1 is also here. And b is what? 7. And 8 is just to convert this equation all the term in the left hand side. Okay. Now c is become minus 8. Just you compare to this equation to this equation and you will get the values of a, b and c also. This is the general form of the linear equation in two variables. Now I am discuss in the just I am discuss the another thing in the next part of the video. Before we go into the next part of the video, just pause it and write down. Okay, now I am discuss about the solution of linear equation. Linear equation in two variables. Okay. Just I take an example that the general form x plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now I am discussing about the solution of the linear equation in two variable. All the students listen carefully and remember it. Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solutions of these equations. Which equations? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is infinitely many solutions of the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So why I am telling the infinitely many? Just I have taken an example. Let the example is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Or I take a very easy example also. X plus y plus 5, x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Why I am telling the infinitely many? Just you make here x is equal to minus 5 minus y. Now you make a chart also. Make a chart also, and x and y you take. If you put any values of y, then you get the another values of x. Okay, here I put I'm taken a point y is equal to 1, then x become minus 6. If I take y is equal to minus 2, then x become what? X become, this is 5 and this is minus 2 I take, then minus plus, this is minus 3. This is minus 3. If I take this is minus 3, then x is become, y is minus 3, then x is become minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2 also. Okay, that's why I am telling infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables. If you put any values of y, you will get the another value of x also. Now I am taking an example. 2x plus 3y is equal to k, and x is 2 and y is 1. Then find the values of k. What is the value of k? Just you put here in the left hand side. This is c also. Here is c is take is left hand side. Then c is here minus k. Okay. Just you put here a is 2 and b is 3. I just give the values of x is 2 and values of y is 1. Just you put in the left hand side. Then you get the values of k also. Then 2 into 2 plus is in place of x you put 2 and in place of y you just put the values of y is 1, then 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3, this is 7. This is equal to k. Then what is the value of k? The value of k is 7. Okay, I already told you the linear equation in two variables has the infinitely many solutions. For any values of y, you will get the distinct values of x also. I think all the students understood. Now I am discuss about the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now I am discuss about the graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. How is it possible to do? Just I take an first example. This is y is equal to 2x. Now you make a chart. Okay. You make a chart x and y. Okay. Now you put any values of x. Just I take 0. Then you also get the distinct value of y. Then you just take 2. Then you got 4. Then you take minus 2. Then you got. Then you will get minus 4 also. Okay. Now I make a coordinate axis. All the students already know the coordinate geometry. I already discussed in my previous classes. This is horizontal axis is called abscissa, and the vertical axis is this is the coordinate also, and this is x-axis, x dash. The meeting point is origin. This is O. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Now I am checking the values of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also -1, -2, -3, -4 also I am taking. All the students listen carefully. Just you draw this one by pencil and scale, and the difference is all the same. You measure this one by a scale. Okay, now you just put the values of this 0, 0. That means all the students know how to put. Okay, then 2, 4. X is 2, first value is 2, and this here 1, 2, 3, 4 positive, and here -1, -2, -3, -4 also. -1, -2, -3, -4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Here I take 2, 4. X is 2 and Y is 4. Here. This is 2, 4. Okay. And then -2, -4. -2 is here and -4 is here also. This is -2 and -4 also. Okay. Now you just join the by scale also. Yes. I don't use in my whiteboard the scale. You must use the scale in your copy. Okay, this is the graphical representation of the equation, linear equation in two variable. All the students listen carefully. Linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. This is very important thing. Linear equations in two variables, all students listen and write also, is always a straight line. Okay, the linear equation in two variables always represent a straight line. This listen carefully. And now I am discuss about this one. This one, question number 3 I discussed first. Okay. Now what is just you put the values of this. I just take x is here. X minus 6 minus 2y, and you make a chart again. Okay. And you put the any values of y, you get the distinct value, because here y is 0, y becomes 0, then x is 6. Then I take y is 1. Then y is 1 when I take, then this is y minus 2, this is 4 also. And then when I take, if y is equal to 5, then you get 6 minus 2 into 5, this is 10, 6 minus 10, this is also minus 4. Then this is also minus 4. Now I just put the values of this. First of all, I just take and because I already take here 6 also, and y here already take 5 also. Just I take here up to this. Okay. Now 6, 0. The 6, 0 is where? Here x is 6 and y is 0. And then 4, 1. This is 4, x is 4 and y is 1 here. This is 4, 1 also. Okay. And then minus 4, 5. Minus 4 here and 5 is here. Okay. This is minus 4 and 5 also. I don't use scale here. That's why I just join the line with free hand. You must use scale. Okay, this is the graphical representation of the straight line. This also, x plus 2y is equal to 6. And this is the graphical representation of y is equal to 2x. All students listen, the linear equation in 1, 2 variables is always represent a straight line. Now I am discuss about this one. Okay, before going to discuss this one, I just rub the board. Now I discuss this one. This is a Okay, just to convert this one, like this one, 3y is 7x minus 2, then y is become 7x minus 2 by 3. Then you just put the values of y is x is equal to minus 1. Then just you put 2, x is equal to 2 first. Then the become 7 to the 14 minus 2 by 3. Then y is become 12 by 3. This is 4 also. Then y is become 4. Then you just take x is equal to minus 1. Then the y is become what? Then minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 7 by 3. This is minus 9 by 3 and this is minus 3 also. Then you take here minus 1, x is minus 1, then this is become minus 4 also. Now I am taking 4, now I am taking 4 also, minus 4, when x is minus 4, then y is become minus 7 into 4 minus 2 by 3, this is minus 30 by 3 is equal to minus 10. I take the just minus 4 and minus 10 also. I take these values. Now I just draw the graph also. Okay. Here I draw the coordinate axis. I draw the graph here. Okay. Now this is up to minus 10 you have to do. Minus 10 here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 also. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Yes, and here in the negative, y is negative up to minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 also. And here is 0. Now you just, this is x-axis and this is x dashed. And this is y and this is y dashed also. Now you just put the values of these 2 and 4. X is 2 and y is 4. Here you just put here 2 and 4 and then minus 1 minus 3. X is minus 1 and y is minus 3. Then here also minus 1 minus 3. Here also minus 1 and minus 3. Then minus 4 and minus 10. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 and minus 10 also here. This is minus 4 and minus 10 also. Then you just to join. Then this is the straight line of this given equation. This is the straight line of the given equation. This is, I just write the name of the equation is, this is 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. This line represent of the linear equation of two variables. Again I say the linear equation in two variables will always represent a straight line. Just you do like this. First you find the value, then you just plot in the coordinate axis, then you will get the straight line of the respective linear equation in two variables. Before going to the next part of the video, just to pause it and write down all these things. Okay, just to pause it. Okay, now that's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and you press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all for today. Thank you very much.